Hello guys, good morning, good morning. Right now we are applying lacquer sanding sealer. Okay. After we have applied the color for our husky, we'll now apply lacquer sanding sealer. And we do that always as we have applied the color to our furniture. We'll apply sanding sealer, okay, after we have waited 1 hour or so, okay. So that's it. And then after that we'll apply now top coat, okay. That is the proper preparation for our lanai, okay. We'll wait 1 hour and we will sand it thoroughly with sandpaper number 400, and then we'll top coat it right away. Have a great day.